The story of Angkor Wat begins in the early 12th century during the reign of King Suryavarman II. This ambitious monarch commissioned the temple as a state temple and eventual mausoleum, dedicating it to the Hindu god Vishnu rather than Shiva, breaking from the tradition of his predecessors. Constructed over the course of approximately 30 years, Angkor Wat is a masterpiece of Khmer architecture, reflecting the empire's immense wealth and power. Its 5 towering spires, shaped like lotus buds, represent Mount Meru, the mythical home of the Hindu gods. The temple boasts intricate bas-reliefs, depicting scenes from Hindu epics and historical events, and a complex system of moats and causeways designed to represent the cosmic ocean. However, the glory days of Angkor Wat were not infinite. The fall of the Khmer Empire in the 15th century led to the abandonment of the temple. Nature took over, and for centuries Angkor Wat lay hidden in the jungle, its splendors known only to the local populace. The rediscovery of Angkor Wat by the Western world in the 19th century sparked a renewed interest in this ancient marvel. Restoration efforts began, and today, Angkor Wat stands as a proud symbol of Cambodia's past, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a major tourist attraction. But Angkor Wat is more than just an architectural marvel. It's a symbol of the human spirit's resilience. Despite the ravages of time, war, and nature, it has endured, a silent sentinel bearing witness to the ebb and flow of history. To recap, Angkor Wat, commissioned by King Suryavarman II in the 12th century, is the largest religious monument in the world and a masterpiece of Khmer architecture. Despite the fall of the Khmer Empire and centuries of neglect, it has survived to become a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an icon of Cambodia's past. So the next time you gaze at the intricate carvings of Angkor Wat, or marvel at its architectural grandeur, remember the story of this ancient monument. It's a tale of human ambition, resilience, and a testament to the enduring legacy of a civilization long past. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, history is all around us, waiting to be discovered.